And for our official introduction, this is Cody and this guy, Jeff. And he likes to shoot these videos because he's so much taller than me. He likes to put stuff where I can't see over it, but I got something for him. Got something. Bam. Now.
Freaking prepared for your mountain you have to climb.
That's right. So, August sale. We have our 55-year anniversary white t-shirt on sale. 10% off all month. And Jeff is super, super excited. This is excited face for our August product sale. What do we have?
The month of August, backed by popular demand, small block and big block Chevrolet compatible aluminum blocks for BRODIX. As you know, that's the best block in the industry. It's made out of the best 356 virgin aluminum you possibly have, all made in the USA here. It comes with some options that we can discuss real quickly. Some of the standard options are obviously the billet main caps, your 12-point ARP studs and nuts, your really good cast iron liners. The big block Chevrolet is available in two different bores, the 4500 or the 4600. The 4500 bore block is very popular in like blower blocks these days, okay? When we do the 4500 bore, it allows us to put a smaller OD sleeve, adds more material to the center, and also puts a thicker sleeve. The small block is available in a 40125 bore or a 4-inch bore. It also is available in a 350 or 400 main. Same great qualities. Billet caps, virgin aluminum. Some of the options that are on sale this month at no extra charge would be the 903 or 937 lifter option, the half-filled water jacket, and say if you want a bigger cam bore, such as a 55mm roller or 55mm Babbitt, 60mm Babbitt, those options are on sale this month at no additional charge. Some of the things that are an additional charge and option are the hipping process and the lightening process. Everything else, great quality block, great quality product on sale for the month of August for you guys.
For you only. That's it, guys. Give us a call. See ya.
Thank you.